Oh my God, Streamlabs' new feature, Selective Toggle Recording, is really great. Oh my God, ah! Oh hey, Happy New Year, 2022. Let's hop into this video. What's going on, you wonderful people? My name is Brandon. Welcome back to Crayton TV. Yes, it is 2022. Woo! Happy New Year to everybody. Just gonna bring back a little short tutorial video on your Streamlabs Desktop. Yes, that is the new name, Streamlabs Desktop. And I'm gonna show you this explain to you this new feature in Streamlabs. You probably noticed it and you probably don't know what it is, but I'm gonna show it to you myself. It's called Selective Toggle Recording, and I'm gonna show you and explain how it works and how it can help out your streaming and recording while you're live streaming and recording at the same time. Yes, so here we go. We're on Streamlabs Desktop right now. I can take you over there right now, as you can see my screen. And the new feature that you might not have noticed, which is called Selective Toggle Recording in Streamlabs Desktop, is right here. Here's the new feature. This is it right here. It's called Toggle Selective Recording. That's the new feature, what it's called. So when you enable this feature, I'll show you little screenshots and stuff, what it actually does. But when you enable this feature while you're streaming, and you're recording at the same time, this helps that you, like say if you want to edit, go back and edit, make highlight videos so you don't have to see like your overlays, your alerts, or people donating to your stream while you're streaming at the same time. That allows you to record and stream to two different platforms, so you can have a raw footage and your stream, what the stream sees, and then that way you can go back away and edit up to your editing video when you record it. So when you enable this feature right here called Toggle Selective Recording, you get some more icons that pop up in your sources. So if I hover over these, you'll see it says visible both on stream and recording. And then when you click them, there's different icons that will say just available or visible on stream only, so what people will see. So like if you enable your social medias or your alerts, stuff like that, and you have it going on your social media and your profile, while you're streaming, if you have it just set to visible on stream only, it won't show up in the recording. That's basically the whole fundamentals of Toggle Selective Recording and how it works and what it does. So you can also, if you don't want your webcam in there or stuff like that, you can also set it. So right now, like how it's set to, it shows visible on stream and recording. But if I was recording or streaming at the same time, you'll see it'll change the icons. I'll show you the different icons that pop up right now. So those are the different icons that you can see. You can read what it actually does. Really great feature. And then they also have, like, once you have this enabled, you can also, just before you go live, make sure you set your recordings to where you want them to be. So that way when you start recording, you know where your video's at. If you want to do like highlights, you want raw data, raw footage and stuff like that. Real great feature. I've been using it. I like it. It works very great. But if you want to test it out before you want to right click on in the sources tabs, and then you want to bring your arrow down and then see where it says projector. That's where you can create a source output, so you can see your projector. Like you want to test out your recording to make sure you can click on recording, and when you start recording and go live, the box will pop up, as you can see, and it'll show how your gameplay and everything else is going to look like in there, and basically what your recording will see when you're using Toggle Selective Recording. And then if you want to do one for your stream, that's what the stream will continue to see, but they won't see this until that way you can go back and edit, highlight footage and stuff like that. But go ahead and try it out. Leave a comment down below on any other Streamlabs Desktop videos you would like to see down in the comment section below. This feature is really great. Check out my last videos in my playlist. That could be right at the end of this video of all my Streamlabs tutorials. If you need help with Streamlabs Desktop, getting things set up, I've done a lot of playlists. So go ahead and check out that playlist right here. And other than that, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. We're on our way to 2,100 subscribers. So Happy New Year to everybody that. And thanks for watching. God bless. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.